Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is banana tea. It smells so amazing, guys. It's nice. It is nice, you guys. It is tasty. I love it. I would urge you to please give this tea a try. I love you. Hello, family. You would need 1 finger banana to make banana tea with 3 cups of water. But before you use your banana, please kindly watch my previous video on how to wash your fruits 99.9% clean. You cannot buy banana from the supermarket and just rinse it under the running water and feel your banana is clean to go. No, there is a process to everything. So you'd have to watch that video, one of my previous videos. I showed it clearly there on how to wash your fruits to get it 99.9% clean. These fruits have been grown with a lot of chemicals and there are lots of pesticides on them, so you don't want to eat chemicals. So let's get into this. Get your pot ready just like this, and then you would add in 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. You're going to dice the banana, add 1 diced banana, reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Also, you would have to add cinnamon sticks. You can add any cinnamon sticks of your choice. Add some pieces of cinnamon sticks. As you can see, banana tea is made from banana. I love my fruits and you too should love it because they are delicious and they also heal our bodies. So you should love your fruits. Banana are one of the world's most popular fruits. It is super good. It is super duper good. They are highly nutritious. They have a wonderful sweet taste. Some people might not just like the look or the shape or the color or the texture, but trust me, there are lots of benefits to bananas. It helps to calm the nervous system because of the presence of melatonin and serotonin in it, which helps to keep the body relaxed and relaxes your muscles, and it just prepares your body for a very good deep sleep. It contains potassium and magnesium, which are both natural muscle relaxants. It also helps for insomnia and stress. Many of you are under stress but you don't even know. Many of you find it very difficult to sleep at night. Banana tea would help you relax and help you find that lovely deep sleep that you require and that you deserve. It is highly recommended for people with hypertension that are not diabetic. It contains some water-soluble nutrients that are found in bananas, such as vitamin A, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6, calcium, vitamin C, and so many others, which are all important minerals for your health and your heart, and which would help you with your quality deep sleep. It also supports healthy immune system and the red blood cells. It's also a good source of antioxidants that prevents chronic conditions such as heart diseases, stroke, and it also prevents bloating. It is also a good replacement for sugary beverages. I'm gonna say that again. You guys know all I appreciate is healthy living and healthy eating and healthy lifestyle with Naomi Nkechi Amara. So I'm gonna say that again. It is also a good replacement for sugary beverages. Most of you that like to drink, carbonated drinks, this banana tea would help you to replace that sugary beverages. Only a small amount of the sugar in bananas is released into the water during brewing, acting as a natural sweetener for your tea. Most people consume a lot of sugar from the beverages that they take, which is linked to an increased rate of diabetes, heart diseases, weight gain, obesity. So you see why you just have to cut off or reduce drastically your intake of beverages, your carbonated drinks that you drink, that you just pop and you drink and you just gain weight so you really have to reduce that or cut it off totally if you can, but it's a gradual process. When you are used to this thing and your palate is used to it, you can't just cut off totally. That would be wicked. If anyone tells you that, that's not true. All you need to do is reduce them gradually, and you would just totally eradicate them totally off from your diet. That is what I did, and I was able to replace mine with natural drinks like banana tea, smoothies, homemade juice. I have watermelon homemade juice that is right on my page. You can check it out as well, so you can start making yourself some natural 100% pure drinks that you and your family will definitely enjoy. Therefore, opting for drinks with no added sugars and preservatives such as banana tea can be an easy way to decrease your sugar intake. Opting and going for a better, healthier choice is the right way, guys. So you can drink it as a hot tea by switching things up from your regular tea, or you can drink it as an iced cold drink. All you need to do is get your ice and put it in your banana tea and enjoy it as your cold beverage, your cold, sweet, delicious drink. Or you can just turn it into a container, pop it into your fridge and get it chilled. And trust me, guys, it is delicious. It is what? It is delicious because I have tried it, I have tested it, and it is nice. It is naturally sweet because of the sugar that drops out from the banana. The natural sugar in banana sweetened it up, and it is naturally sweet. I personally don't even add honey, but so many people are really top-notch sweet tooth, so they might want extra sweetener. So I would advise you use honey, but if not, trust me, it is really good to drink it like that. And one of the things that I do to help me enjoy my banana drink is when I get it out from the fridge, I get a lovely glass and pour it into my glass, put a straw in it, and right in my head I just know that I'm drinking a lovely banana drink that is chilled and cold, and oh my god, it is mostly enjoyed at night, like when you take it an hour before bedtime. Oh my god, it just relaxes you, and prepare you for bed for a quality good sleep. Professionals has advised people to stop taking sleeping pills, as banana fruit tea offers a better and healthier solution to most drugs out there. So whenever you think you want to go to the pharmacy to get yourself sleeping pills, my dear, my brother, my sister, look out for your banana tea and drink it. Take your banana tea and drink it. It will give you the same quality sleep that your sleeping pills would do. Rather, it is healthier, as you already know, and it has no chemicals, no preservatives, and it is natural. Like, what more do you want? I don't get it. Oh my god, you guys, my house smells amazing from this lovely banana tea. So I'm ready to serve myself a cup of banana tea, and I'll get a sieve, and wow, voila. All I'm going to do next is just what? Sieve my banana tea into my teacup. Can you see that? Yeah. So you see this banana, please, nothing goes to waste. You can use this in your oatmeal, you can use this in your smoothie, so it depends on your choice. I usually use it in my smoothie. I just blend it into my smoothie and I drink it all up, including the cinnamon, so nothing goes to waste. Okay guys, I'm ready to have a taste for you from the banana tea we just made now. So let's have a taste. It's nice. It is nice, you guys. Natural sugar. I did not add honey, you guys remember. This is natural. It is tasty. I love it. I would urge you to please give this tea a try. Give it a try, please. It will cost you nothing, perhaps give you a lot. Give it a try, huh? Thank you guys so much for tuning in back and joining me. I hope you have learned one thing or two. And if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget, hit it as usual. You know how we do it. Hit the subscribe button, leave me your comments, share this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. I love you, but God loves you more.